Hi there, my name is Bridget Mackay. I'm an estate planning attorney here in Petaluma, California. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you choose the right estate planning attorney. Considering all that's involved in establishing a living trust or a will and all the things you need to talk about and the different type of law or aspects of the law that you need to know, it's really important that you choose the right person. Because you really do want your legacy to be, the way you've determined it at your death and to go smoothly to your family. So I have a little story to tell first. This is a story about Kim and Tom, who went to a family friend to get their will done. This family friend was an attorney, but he had more of a general practice. But they were very close and in fact had thrown in a little discount for them to get their estate plan done. They got their wills done. When they read the wills with the attorney, everything appeared to cover what their issues were or what they wanted to have done on the surface. Everything was going to go to the spouse if one of them died, and then after that to their children. Unfortunately, this plan didn't match their actual assets. They had lived on a ranch that Tom had inherited with his brother. And when Tom died, the deed to the ranch governed where this property was going to be inherited. And in fact, he held the deed with his brother as joint tenants. And so his brother inherited the ranch, even though the wills said that everything was to go to Kim at his death. So that's just one example of where things can go wrong if you're working with an attorney that really isn't up on the different laws that affect estate planning and has the knowledge base. So your ideal attorney should have a focus on estate planning, not on other combined areas or as a general practice where they do a bit of everything. You really want someone who knows the laws in this area. You want someone who continues to get updated professional education in the area, in their field, which is estate planning and trusts and probate. You also want, since this is probably going to be a long-term relationship, you're not just going to do this document, but there may be changes in your family, changes in your assets, and so you may make amendments and changes to your estate plan, and this will be the person that your surviving spouse will hopefully be dealing with, or this office. You want to choose someone that you feel you can have a relationship with in a long-term sense of the word. So you need to be comfortable with this person in the long term. Finally, it's easy to do. Check their standing with the state bar. For California, you just type into Google California State Bar. It'll bring you to the website. You type in their name and it'll tell you if they're in good standing with the Bar Association and they're licensed to practice law. In the end, make sure you pick someone that you can get along with and knows what they're doing.